I'll make a mark at 1 inch, okay? And of course, if you got a factory edge, you can always take a T-square, okay? Put it on the edge or whatever square you want to use. Line it up. Draw your line. Like I said, it's not an exact science. Or you can mark inch here, put your ruler on it and draw it that way. Whatever your preference is, whatever is easiest. I like using the square because it's just easier to do. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this laid out, and then I'll get together and start mixing these colors up and pull out the ones from top here that I haven't used yet, and do the same process in the very beginning, which is starting at the 50-50. And then what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of white to each one with the value scale. So like I said, I know people are going to comment on it, but if you want to do this in gray paper, get you some gray paper. Spray paint it gray if you want, okay? However you want to do it. It's totally your little ball of wax, as far as they say, okay?